down to eat. Pig! Pigs can't sweat. To cool themselves down, they have to wallow in mud. Owl! Many owls have asymmetrical ears. The smallest owl is the elf owl. Panda! Giant pandas can swim and climb trees. Giraffe! A giraffe's heart is 2 feet long. Rabbit! There are at least 305 different breeds of rabbit. Tortoise! The Galapagos giant tortoise can grow to be over 1.2 meters in length. Jellyfish! The numeracy jellyfish can grow from the size of a grain of rice to be bigger than a human in just 1 year. Gecko! There are some species of gecko that grow to less than 2 centimeters long, while others grow to more than 55 centimeters long. Mouse! Mice eat between 15 and 20 times a day. The average walking speed of a tortoise is 0.2 to 0.5 kilometers per hour. Jellyfish! Jellyfish are related to corals and sea anemones. Duck! Ducks cannot feel cold in their feet because their feet have no nerves or blood vessels. Red panda! It's believed that red pandas are probably related to skunks, raccoons, and weasels. Frog! Wood frogs evolve to freeze up to 65% of their bodies every winter. Dog! There are 360 recognized breeds of dog. Shark! Sharks have been around for at least 420 million years. Hedgehog! Hedgehogs are related to moles and shrews. Cows are members of the bovine family, which includes buffalo and bison. Crocodile! The smallest species of crocodile is the dwarf crocodile, which grows to 1.5 to 1.9 meters long. Gorilla! Gorillas can weigh over 200 kilograms and stand as tall as an average human. Chicken! Chickens are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. Mosquito! Mosquito wings flap 800 times a second. Meerkat! Meerkats can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. The average lifespan of an elephant is around 65 years or more.